Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Lemfo M3 with iOS and SmartTime app. As you can see, the app is ready and installed. We're going to use it immediately. So you can see we have here today's page. We have 3 pages down below, device and me. We're going to go to the second page, which is device. Press add device at the top, and as you can see, immediately it recognizes the M3D. Press OK in the watch. As you can see, the vibration is very big, it moves the watch, and now this watch is connected with our phone. Let's get back to the first page. As you can see, we have activity goals for today. As you can see, we have the statistic in the middle, day, week and month. We have average steps, distance and other information as well. In today's activities, we have today for heart rate and sleep as well, day, week and month. So this is the first page. Let's go to the second page, device. As you can see, we have anti-loss, gesture light up, call notification and SMS. We have sedentariness, which we can change the time, alarm, heart rate settings, as you can see with the timing as well. Next we have smart camera, alarm and smart camera next. You can see in the M3 the smart camera doesn't work. I don't know if it's the fault of any firmware of the M3 or any software of the app, but it's not working. Next we have find phone. As you can see, the vibration again, it moves the phone. You can hear the vibration very loud. Next we have wake up gestures. We have a GPS update, and we have other check for updates, firmware updates and ampere at the bottom. In the third page, me, we have exercise. As you can see, we can change the goal for steps, and it shows the kilometer that we have to do and burn calories that we will burn. As you can see, we have a new update, and when you press it, it shows you immediately to the Apple Store or App Store, so you can update it there. And maybe this update will fix the camera issue that we had before. We have unit, version, gesture and privacy here, and this is all what we have in this app. So we will see here notification as well, but we know that the M3 works pretty good. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.